Everybody is same. Same. Everybody is a human being, so everybody is the same. No rich, no one rich, no one poor. Yeah. The reason somebody booked the GP house, first thing is that we are in Sukhumvit 81, which has a BTS from where you can easily go anywhere in Bangkok. Second thing is that we are close to the airport, 30 minutes to 35 minutes ride by taxi. And the third thing is that we are in the middle of the residential places. Very quiet, very friendly people. Our building is beautiful. Rooms are big. All the amenities are new. We provided very nice bed, and we keep building very clean. We have company who come and check up everything. So our rooms are very clean. All the amenities work very fine. And I enjoy meeting people. So we try to be friend with everybody who come to our place. So everyone become our family member.
Prices fluctuate depending on the season, but I paid 700 baht per night. That's about $28 Canadian, $20 American. I stayed for a month, so Gopal gave me the long-term room price. An equivalent hotel in Vancouver would cost over $200 per night. Closer to $300. The staff are super friendly, and the owner, Gopal, is a very good man. I notice there's an effort by most Thai people to be good, to be kind, to be helpful to others, to care about others. You can see it in the flow of traffic. Somehow this becomes a collective thing, and foreigners can see it clearly, and we can feel it. There's a collective drive to be good. Made me realize that at any given moment, I'm probably the biggest asshole around. Which is not necessarily a bad thing. It doesn't feel great that when everyone around you is nicer than you are, that can be a good thing. I loved staying at GP House. Met some great people. Really enjoyed my time there. What did I like about GP House? Well, first the owner and the staff. People are great. The room is huge. Tons of space. Everything's super clean. The people of the neighborhood, they were so welcoming. A lot of Hindus, very welcoming. Invite you in for tea. It's hard to walk down the street just to get home sometimes. You gotta keep going into people's homes or have extra long conversations with everybody. It's a very interactive community. I loved it. The location. It's right on the BTS, not too far from the action in any direction. But it's still a residential local Thai neighborhood. The shower was awesome. Shower heads, great. Good water pressure. It's nice to have a window in the bathroom. I love this shower. The water heater's new, works great. Sweet smelling shampoo and soap is supplied. Oh, the bum gun is clean with good pressure control, which is an important one. Water's good. Beds are big, kind of firm, but now they've got padded mattress covers, so softened it up a little bit. Asian soft, they call it, I think. It's got key card security. It's got an elevator. Aircon works great. There's the controller wall mount thing. So that's at the front door. Then I'd bring this into here and switch this one on. It's on now. I can turn it off. And this stuff has worked flawlessly. I haven't had any problems whatsoever. There's screens on all the windows and on the sliding glass door. There's balconies in all the rooms. Nice big heavy doors, 4 hinges per door, and the sound baffle on the bottom of the door, on both sides, on the inside and the outside. Really cuts down on the noise. All the appliances are fairly new, a couple years old. I think the building's only 3 years old. Shiny clean. You've got a big full-size fridge in the larger room. The check-in, no nonsense check-in. You can book online, and GoPal will send you a password for a box on the wall to get your room key. So when you arrive, you just grab your key from the box and you're good to go. No nonsense. You don't even have to see anybody, really. The cons about GP House. And I say there's 2 big ones, but it's just based on choice. The first, like, there's no pool, hot tubs or saunas, anything like that. And second, there's no exercise equipment. 2 things that a lot of people expect to get when they're staying in condos and even hotels nowadays. So, but I think the price reflects that. And I'm pushing for GoPal to buy the land next door and put an Olympic-sized pool. So it's coming, and maybe a go-kart track. I've got some great ideas for GoPal. Here's one of them.
We try to like be respect everybody, whoever you meet. Even you meet an angry person, just don't answer the way he's reacting to you. Just either talk to him politely or just move on to your way. That's, yeah, respect. Give respect to everybody. Respectful. Be polite. Everybody is same. Everybody is a human being, so everybody is the same. No rich, no one rich, no one poor. Yeah.